everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing 3 minute mini build, where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today we're doing something on wheels. We're going to be making this quad bike. I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're going to start off with a 2x6 standard base plate. I'm using dark grey, and we're going to bring in these slightly outset wheel attachment base plates, and we're going to put them underneath our base plate over here. Now for the kind of, I don't know, what do you call it? The chassis. The chassis. It's all French. We're going to be using this. This is going to be where the minifigure will be sitting. I don't know, on the side of a helicopter, something like that. And we're going to be adding these grabbers. You get back there. What are you escaping from me for? Don't worry, that's just one of my bricks trying to run away. This kind of grabber element and a 1x2 base plate over here. As you can see, I'm using yellow, and we're going to attach a 2x2 standard brick at the back here. Now we're going to add a few car specific parts. We're going to be using this kind of with the, I don't know, smooth bits and the one with the not smooth bits. We're going to attach them one on the front and one on the back. We're going to bring in some little grill elements using yellow, because this is kind of yellow orange design over here. So we've already got the main part of it. Now we're going to bring in a 4 long bar. You can use a 3 long bar if you don't have one, and just stick it in front of here to use as the, you know, the bumper. And we're going to be making the front of it. So we're going to be a side attachment plate like this one. We're going to put it over here, and we're going to get a 1x2 tile, and we're going to stick it in there. A 1x2 jumper plate. We're going to slot it into here. One of these plates with a grabber on top. This is the kind of new kind. Always take advantage of them because they are slightly stronger than the old kind. Anyway, handlebars, just normal handlebars. Another side attachment plate at the back here with a 1x4 tile at the back. And we're going to add the lights. So I mean, you're going to be using yellow lights. You can be using white lights if you like. Attach these ones to the front, and these red ones, well, for the back, as you normally see in cars. And all we have left is the wheels. So I'm going to be using the rugged kind of medium wheels, because I find that these are good for small off-roaders. Just stick them into the pins here. And there we've done it. So there we have it. Our quad bike is complete. This is compatible with minifigures. Just to show you how, I'm going to be bringing one in. Then if you want to attach the handlebars, you just turn the minifigure hands to the side, like always when you're attaching handlebars. Click them in, and there we go. Relax it, and this is good for going anywhere off-road. So if you don't have much of a landscape made out of Lego, then you can use any everyday object that you have. For instance, you can use a bed, you can use a sofa, even you can use hands. So that's the end of our video. I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. We were rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.